Okay, these videos here in this playlist are the initial videos I thought were best to start with as to why a whole food plant-based diet. This would be a great place, I think, for people just starting out, beginners, to go through these videos and then move on from there. I also placed them in an order I thought was best within the playlist. I'd suggest going through each one in that order. There are some that are slight duplicates of each other, but they have additional information within them. They're all done, most all of them done by professionals that know what they're talking about. And I've assembled it here to help myself and my very best friend. And then after watching this playlist, you can move on to the other playlists that I've created below it or to the side of it, however it shows up. I don't know. Again, those are all in order. The playlists themselves are in order, and the videos within each playlist are in order. And the next grouping of playlists I pegged as success stories. I figured after watching this group within this playlist, it would be nice to hear some people with some success stories about how this has helped them. And then move on to the next one after that. But this one here, these are the initial videos for someone that does not know that much about a whole food plant-based diet and really wants to hear about it. So good luck.